Hi guys! Today I will be showing you all my homemade fidgets. All of these I did by myself because, parents don't let you do this kind of thing. Anyways, first I will be starting out with my DIY squishies. I took empty chip bags and put tissue and napkins and toilet paper in them, and then I just taped it shut because I wasn't at my dad's when I made these. It has a nice crunch. The Dorito one, they kind of don't rise up but it's still okay. And then so I also have this. It was a simple dimple, but my cousin broke the other circle, so I had to cut it. Listen, and it's pink. And when I brought it over to my cousin, she was asking me if I could make one smaller because her hands were so small. So I could also just give her this. And I also made a huge one, and it took the most supplies. It took nail polish, tape, paper, hot glue, cardboard, nail polish, I think I already said that, nail polish dryer, and just like so much more. It's kind of flat, it's black in the middle, and I use this weird kind of tape. It was kind of like duct tape, but more tan. And it was more rippable. It was almost like paper. But listen. It is very satisfying, and this is my newest one too. I just made it today. This is my oldest one. I just saw a small TikTok of it, so I decided I should do it because I was looking up all these different fidget toy videos on YouTube, and I just came across this one, and I thought it would be really easy. If I have a food mustache, I'm very sorry. I can't tell in this quality, and I don't have a mirror. Eh. Sorry, I need to tie the back of it, otherwise it'd get like all. So I also have. I'm missing one. Oh, I'm missing two. I don't know where it is. Anyways, I had these it's kind of like a DIY tangle thing made out of clip things. I I used to think they were paper clips, and then I realized those are the other things, and I still don't know how to pronounce it. But yeah, I had like 6 of these, and I put 4 of them, and then I made this little triangle square thing that I push down, and then I turn it to the side, and then I can push it back down, sorry. And then this is probably one of my easiest ones. I think the pen one was my easiest. Wait, no, that's not even my easiest. Okay, so this is a slider. It's, hold on, the top of a um Ziploc bag. Listen. And you can just slide it up and down and rip it apart. Okay, this was my easiest one. It's just a ketchup packet. I kind of use it as a simple dimple. And then this. I have another one like this, but it was in the gray uh duct tape. But I don't know where that one went. I think I left it at my grandma's or cousin's. But listen. And then I have this weird thing. It's made of these little clip things. I have no idea what they're called. But you put one like this, and you take the other one and open it. Wait, you open both of them inside a little bit of both. And then I have this DIY, I know it's not a marble mash, but it's something marble. And look, it has a little face. And then I have a marble mash. It has a face on it too. And then this little Play-Doh stress ball. I made it out of water balloons, and I just kept wrapping the water balloons because I might have broken my other 10 I made. True story. But yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching. Have a good night, day. Love you all.